Hey everyone, this is Felipe. I'm speaking directly from Niquadala in Mozambique, and we had this training here with the farmers and the technicians from the ICEI organization, an Italian organization that does some agroforestry work here in Mozambique, in the province of Zambezia. And this field was planted 1 week ago, and I'd just like to show you how it's developing. You see, one of the most important things that I really reinforced and I focused a lot during the trainings. I did 4 trainings here in 4 different communities. Is the importance of using all the resources that you have available around, and they've got lots and lots of resources here around here. They've got sawdust everywhere. In every corner you go, there's somebody sawing wood. And then they've got lots of coconut husks. Everywhere you go, somebody's husking coconuts. They've got rice husks. They've got lots of grass all around. They've got prunings from trees because they have the habit of pruning some trees in the city. And there's lots of yellow acacias here, which is Senecio mea. It's not really from the genre acacia, but it's called acacia around here. And it's an amazing plant. It produces lots of organic matter, and they're pruning it regularly, and they're burning all the prunings, and they're burning all the sawdust, they're burning all the coconut husks. So I really try to bring their attention to the fact that they're burning money, basically, because it's all a source of production. It's an important resource for our fields, for their mashambas, as they call their production fields. So let me give you a sight of the place where I am. So basically in this part of Mozambique, you've got just really, really extensive plains, right, all around. And the place where they usually produce have really good soil, although the soil has been badly beaten through by years of bad use. But the soil is quite sandy, loam sandy or something like that. It's really black, as you can see, and it's pretty moist. There's quite a good amount of moisture. Um, and the traditional use of land, they make these mounds. I think you can see it here. There's a mound here, a mound here. Let me see if I can give you a sight of a field here. There you go. I think you can see it. All right, this one is with sweet potatoes. And so this is how they do it. Right, this is the traditional way of planting around here. Some people still do companion plantings, but they're letting go of that practice more and more. At least that's what it seems to me. You can see this is just sweet potatoes in monoculture. Some people would still put some cassava and corn with it, but most people are just giving up on companion planting and doing monoculture. And so now let's check our field. That's our field, that's Horatio. That's the name of the owner of this field. He's working there with an orange shirt. So first thing, we obviously used all the grass that we had from planting here. Look at the technicians over there. All right, they're saying hi. And so this is a field for vegetable production. As you can see, we've got the beds with vegetables. I'll go to the consortiums in a bit. But our row of trees over here has got lots of this yellow acacia I told you about. So this is it. We planted it by seedling and by seeds. So over here underneath we've got, this is also yellow acacia sprouting. So not only we planted the seedling, but we planted the seed as well. And you can see we used a bit of sawdust here. This actually, this is more like wood chips than sawdust. And so every row of tree has these acacias every meter, and then lots of seeds planted underneath and pineapple to go with it. Also, we've got bananas, which haven't sprouted yet, every 2 meters. And yeah, soon this is going to be a nice forest. And over here, you can see the consortiums that we did, the companion planting schemes. We used lots of carrots because it's an important crop around here. Let me see where the carrots are. They should be sprouting already. All right, here you go. So we've got carrots with lettuce and collard greens. So we've got 3 different times of harvest, right? We're harvesting lettuce with 30 days, then collard greens starting at 50 days and carrots at 90 days. And we've got tomatoes and cassava for future production after 90 days. Besides grass, wood chips, we also used a lot of banana trunks. This is to show them how they're going to use their bananas as organic matter for their field once the bananas grow here. Because again, they're just usually throwing away this material, and it's just an amazing resource. We've got corn here as well that we planted, and over there we've got a bed with bell pepper, cassava, and lettuce, and also corn that's sprouting here. So you can see that all the beds are nicely covered, which is just a way of proper using the soil, so that, you know, after preparing the soil, spend a lot of energy preparing it. If you leave it bare, your work goes to the shithole because it's gonna get compacted soon again and it's gonna erode. So for me, covering the soil is just a matter of respect to yourself, because you know you spent energy doing that work, and you have to cover it to protect your work and to make it improve over the time. So this is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll try to send some pictures, to post some pictures in the future. I'll ask them to the technicians here to send me some pictures. And I think the message I'd like to leave here is the importance of using resources properly. Every place is full of resources. The earth is a rich place all around, from north to south, from west to east. And we just have to learn resources. We have to learn to use resources properly. Everything around us is a resource, and we just can't waste them. If we work properly, using the resources we have available and planting more resources to be used, because the plants themselves are a resource which we can use in our field to make it better, to make it healthier, to make the field more beautiful, more productive. And let's not waste it, let's not burn it. Let's use it properly. All right. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you haven't yet subscribed to our newsletter, the link is below. And check out our Instagram. We post lots of short videos there from time to time, cool pictures, and making sure you stay in tune. Thank you for watching. This is Felipe directly from Niquadala in Zambésia, Mozambique, and I'll catch you in the next video. Cheers.